Hi guys! Kumusta? Ako si Red at welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. At para sa video ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react nga ako guys dito kay Mika Salamanca. Kinanta niya dito guys yung Little Mermaid. And sobrang excited na ako guys na mapanood to. Alam niyo naman ako guys na si Mika Salamanca yung paborito kong housemate ngayon sa Pinoy Big Brother collab. And yeah, na-excite ako na mapanood to. Okay, play na natin to. Without further ado, let's do begin in 1, 2, 3, go. Tara, play na natin. Okay, bilang tayo guys ng 3, 2, 1, go. So, here we go.
Sing the song.
Ganda ni Mika, no?
Don't match my hair.
Super, niya, super pretty.
Look at this stuff, isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything? Look at this truth, pressures untold.
Wow.
How
Grabe yung
many
voice tone niya, no?
wonders can one cavern hold? Looking around, if you think, sure, she's got everything. I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I've got who's it's and what's it's galore. You want thingamabobs? I've got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I wanna be where the people are.
Grabe, ang sarap pakinggan, no?
I
Napapatulala ako sa kanya, eh.
wanna see them dancing, walking around on those, what do you call them? Oh, feet. Lifting your feet as you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing, strolling along down. What's that word again? Street. Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun.
Wow.
Wandering free, wish I
Grabe yung voice quality niya, no? Napaka-crystal clear ng kanyang voice.
what would I give if I could live out these waters? What would I pay to spend a day warm on a sand?
Wow.
That's on land. They understand that they don't reprimand their daughters. Right young women, sick of swimming, ready to stand and ready to know what the people know. Answer my questions and get
Galing niya,
some
no?
answers. What's a fire and what does it? What's the word? Burn. When's it my turn? Wouldn't I love to explore the shore of the
Wow. Ang galing ni Mika.
out of the sea.
Ang ganda pa.
Wish I could be part of that world. Di ba may sound effect tayo ng tubig dun sa kusina?
Anyways, ang galing talaga ni Mika. Na-support po natin si Mika. I'm a huge fan of Mika. And isa siya sa pinaka na-amaze at hinahangaan ko na housemate sa Pinoy Big Brother collab. Support po natin siya. Alright? Kung gusto niyo to guys, bigyan nyo malaking likes. Mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa akin channel. Bye po!